Therefor cigar. Mama.
Good morning.
Morning. Mama yo. Sister like you, mama yo. Therefor cigar. Mama yo. Papa yo. Sister like you, papa yo. Therefor cigar. My yo. Papa yo. Sister like you, papa yo. Papa yo! Mama! Titus! Stay here! Who did that to make you come outside?
What did I do now?
No,
I dey clear cobwebs.
I know. Who did that bedroom?
What's that?
Mama.
Where everybody for this Titus come here? Titus, come here! Where your wife? Today I'm you go there here. Where everybody for this place? What did I do?
What happened?
Now wait, everybody must gather for here. Come, madam. Because if I dey talk now, people go say I dey talk. Una know what happened today, so
No.
I just come out to. I say I don't want to go check. You know, say una the gossip list is about that meeting. I want to check whether I don't thief my car steering. I just dey go on my own. Now I come see Titus for that place. First of all, if you say they connect this wire for you, well, no. Before I know, I come view the eye. I come see say they wash this girl naked weapon.
Hey!
I been wan try to look, but I can't say no, they forbid that for our family, we not dey look. I can't dey follow Titus trace. I follow Titus, I see say they enjoy the thing. So now I make this thing, I no fit just bear am. Now I can say this thing everybody need to know.
Oh, Oga Titus, you are peeping me, Okwaya. So you are peeping me. Hey! Wonder shall never cease. Hey!
Heavenly Father. I know you are on the throne and you look into my heart.
Yeah?
You are the God that sees it both in the secret, in the dark, and the open.
Amen.
Me. So if somebody tell them and say me, I am nature, I'm hearing song. Are you beautiful more than my
Then
wife?
what are you doing there?
I was sweeping. When you passed here, wasn't I sweeping?
You are sleeping. Then okay, if you are sleeping, what about this dirty place?
I was sweeping.
No, wait. Now I understand what you know they talk. Bro, so he say my husband they peep who they back.
And they check the naked weapon.
Hey!
She get stretch mark for the breast or this thing because I don't see am.
Okay.
You see, I'm
No, I don't say I'm me. I go say I dey craze. I don't see am.
Second victim. Wait, so he they peep woman where they back, where naked they back.
Can you imagine?
No, you wear clothes the bath.
Hey! You go the peep woman, Abi?
Mike.
Now what's in them talk, Abi? Now what you talk, bro?
Now allegation.
I see am with my eye.
You go peep woman.
Yes.
If you peep woman, what will happen?
Don't be me.
Now the same people.
Don't be me.
I'm just saying. Who you peep? Mistake.
I don't peep anybody. But if I go peep, if I must peep, there is barrister in this compound. There is a medical doctor. There is here in this compound. The lowest class person in this compound.
You know what they are saying?
Titus.
Hey!
I can imagine you peeping.
Now I say una too
I can
they
imagine.
do contribution for una to do this marriage. I pity
God.
for una.
Hey.
See you. And you. In case if I come back, if you tell me say trust man dey your breast, what I go use your eyes see.
Carry on, we go. Your mind now, you don't catch thief. Now your mates, they catch money, they bring money. They catch person where they clear cobweb. Cobweb, then they always make I clear for compound.
Must I do soon? I throw salute for you. Enter inside.
CWO. One market I go for you no more. Carry your dog, enter inside, Joe.
Hello, sir.
Look at them. Shameless mother.
You don't pass this thing where you do. You don't pass it.
Bro, hand rubber. You don't pass this thing where you wear the phone, uncle. Okoro white rubber shoe. Stupid boy, I no go blame you now. Okay, okay, get away. You may get aside.
What is that?
If that thing touch me, I just break your eyes now. Come on, get out.
I go complete your deliverance.
See her.
Instagram, people.
No go back. Come here. Come and stand here. You go there, open your no.
You go people.
Me.
Because I didn't they cover up. That's an issue. Early morning don't they sweep. What am I here again? Listen, give my brother in the gospel. I just thought this one make I take over. You know what you be? You be who are. You get me to content. You get me to content. You get me to content.
You said have patient too.
For where?
Have patient.
I don't lose my
This
patience.
children, everybody carry phone. No. I don't want to appear for Instagram or Facebook.
What do they want to take you?
Everybody can. I finish my sweeping.
No, let me go now.
I did sweep before. Papa, you. Mama, you.
Lord, you are
more beautiful than beauty. What we go do now? As business no dey, may we just take this thing down. What we go do now? The same. As I open my mouth now, you follow me. May we use mouth call am. Come, customer, come. Come, customer, come. Customer, come, customer, come. Customer, come, oh. Come, customer, come. Come, customer, come, oh. Customer, come, oh. Customer, come. Customer, come, oh. Biano, bia. Bang, pakara, pam, pading. Badum, para, pam, pakara, pam, pam. Kang, pakara, katang, pakara, kang, katang, kang, pang, pakara, kakanding. Kang. Hey, customer.
Good afternoon.
On your guy, customer, you not there.
I want buy Indomie. I hope that you people have a good Indomie.
If you not get good one, what you go come get?
Yeah, now the last bus stop.
This is the last bus stop. We dey buy from company direct. Anything where you buy here will not be original. Forget it. As you dey so now, if you dey pass for road, anywhere where you perceive good aroma of Indomie, now from this shop they buy am.
Which home?
Thank you. Ushoma.
I go buy this one now.
Even if we no fit go company, or company no gree supply for us. I want to keep wa company no. Boo. I call them aka. Boo no book la all time.
You mean people are selling stolen something here?
I want okay.
I want a man. I cannot buy again. On a time I can eat cock. Hallelujah.
Okay, come now. No be say we still are now. See what you cost. You see what you cost. When you must see what you've cost now.
Well, na promotional strategy.
Which kind of promotional strategies? Nobody promote only pop from our shop. Somebody who come to buy something. Give one order. You want no razano kagena position on yana position here. Must you say everything?
One thing no say that is one thing where I talk like this go make am come out.
Why you not go make am come out? If say na your papa come here, tell and say they tip the goods in go stay. Onyo wawara na boy. That's why say the guy self look like criminal. But in they run from the Kozukla. You know say as him be say na criminal, immediately they hear a pam. Yes, I told you commit here more. Yeah, popo. Stupid woman. You just bring bad luck. They follow me around.
Now you carry bad luck, they waka.
Man, fucking Oga. Stupid man. Nothing where they talk now. Tell me if I'm not sure pause. Easy. You know even wait. Give you the Timberland the hekashi. Local man. Igbo. Come on, small play where you follow you play. You couple. On your shin no question abula ga egbe elugbo ego. Akpakpa ha na akpo ose. Nonsense. Ma fon katara chepro genu egbe elu ga agbabugo na onye chepro ga ga ikpom onye oshi.
Katapila kworo onye kwuru ka.
Katapila kwori onye.
Eji akwonu, kwori ago.
Katapila kwori am. Ndom boriri ndomi erikwe ejikwa ha onye kepe wa go to ebiri ndomi.
Ala bieri bia kwere m go kokashi.
Malumu di ata do ebiote wure ebiote bigbuole m go ikpom onye oshi. Stupid woman.
Gafukwe.
Ebranga ye won no ye. Baba eji onye kepe wa lilu nnegum ekwosite ndomi ejikwa mbazi egwu anga ga eligo. Must you say everything? Shame on you.
Shame. Jagi.
Me shame. Me shame. I'm a kwaganya.
Me.
Give me the sum shame. I can't muri waka.
Me ke.
Iplam tai.
Me ke.
I'm a mihena gagana.
Mr. Joe, you said you need how many cartons of beer for a start?
I think 80 cartons for starting.
80 cartons.
And by the way, do you have a vehicle that can convey it to my shop?
Also vehicle also. I'm me one vehicle man. I don't tell them no vehicle. I have vehicle. It's available. I have vehicle.
All right. I think we should start from 80 cartons. I mean, let's see how it moves. Okay. If it's moving well, that means I got to come back for the day.
I trust you, my man.
Right?
I trust you.
You say you want buy 80 cartons of beer.
And so?
And as you don't hear, come hear 80 cartons of beer. Say make I see the person who talk am.
Make you see the person who talk am. You don't see him now, my friend. See him here. I'll go back to your shop. But the woman.
I do anything bad now. Now say put in now.
Now who invite you come from my shop? Must you be going to people's shop to prognose in their business? Who invited you here? Like husband, like wife. Look at her.
Hey!
Don't provoke me.
He provoke Google. He provoke but you get go there. Provoke Google lip na chain.
Yeah, where you walking them grab brother one. How are you here? Let's talk business, Jare.
Like I said, I'll give you a call.
It's all right. I'm waiting for your call.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Take care.
All right.
If the carton not complete, we guess. Yeah.
I say go back to your shop, bad belly woman. Go back to your shop. I don't know what to tell you.
Nkata ihe jiri ka.
Abali me mga kwanye.
Ụmụaka ibe gị na-agba ka Rottweiler, agba ka Mark, gị na-agba ka Ekuke.
Oh no, ga kelewe dedem osa here o titles ko unu gba monopause tapla anyị hiri. Abali me mga kwanye.
Ano jerie. Gafuo. Amala pụrụkwa igwe gị. Ebiakwa ha ga ka gebere okashi. Ano jerie. Get like a pie, huh? You will have to lock. I bet carry seat comes to down here.
What's happening?
Come now.
What's in the whole am for?
Pull am first now. They come. Pull am. Calculate 80 cartons of beer. Calculate am.
80 cartons of beer. Anybody want buy that quantity?
You dey ask 20 questions. Calculate am first.
What's in the calculator for?
You will like to calculate. Now you don't want to calculate again. Calculate am first. Hey! Confirmation. I just said me I no calculate am well. Confirmation. So na 250 something thousand. Now you check the one carry. Hey! Now me the one for the market who will change the one sell now. Eh?
Wait, so patient. Now another person business, now you want make a day here calculate for you. Eh? Imo Comedy, are you okay?
See what you dey talk. See what you dey talk. You know everything I talk say this man dey use juju. I dey feel say him dey use juju.
So as in they use juju, make we can't do it. What do you want me to do as in they use juju? If in they use juju now for in pocket now. Huh?
So we go just dey only go dey sell market, we no go sell market. Do something though.
I should do something. Oh, okay, make I go jump into juju kwa yenkwa. Ka juju jam or juju, ka uruzie juju east. Ka uru juju judiciary group of company. Ya me juju, me juju. Let me tell you, the way they take work for the other person, no be the way they take work for another person. Oto shagashiro nyukwa ukpo jagashiro nyenta. Okuna ni hem na agwa gi. Indo juju, yes, he's working for him. Or you never know him before. Oto aho shagashiri ukpo jagashiro anyi. As we dey here, they do and small is better. Yes, if you go do juju now, put your hand inside bad thing. If it spoil the whole show for us. See as I dey pick am small like this, ask again. Why your cage aracho fedi oku? Na small they take lick hot soup. If you lick am with force, yeah, watch apugire. Tongue go peel you like this, like get bet na jaku. Musa. May we hope on God. Any day where God say we go do a gombute, we go bute it. Onya na gwogu, allow him to gwogu. Juju is not my father's name. So you don't expect me to put my hands into juju. I'm not a juju man and can never be. Open your eyes and wise up. Thank you. Now put me here because collect this thing from me. Get it from me. You got back and then I walk. Why you all? Yes, yeah. What's the one? Because no verse. This mountain was make I come meet me and you discuss. Very important. I say make I come see you small. Because I see here carry a toy aka. And onye obula ya na mmadu na achunta. When you come turn around, come say your leg resemble animal leg. If you allow that person in go shoot. I say make I come see you small. Get small thing where I want me to discuss, I beg.
Small thing.
Yes, sir.
I hope all is well.
All is well. But offer to quante. I want us to reason like a man. I say, okay, I want to make you show me where you go do your juju. Where you take the same market here. Because as we day here now, all of us know waiting to happen. We know what's up. I don't want me you carry me. Go just store my cable. You my address, me Jackam. That is why I came.
I don't understand. Did I hear you say juju?
Stop that thing. I go say you know that. What you don't understand? Is it the juju or where you go do am?
Wait. Look what I shall chat or go jija. Look what bomb. What did I say there? Cha. I want to come in here. I don't understand. Ha! Juju. Ochendo juju.
Ochendo because after that here now. We know. I know. Say it go hard you to talk. Even me, say na me they do am. It go hard me to talk. But someone courage. You're a man. Niobi.
Titus, I beg, leave my shop.
Listen.
I said, leave my shop.
I'm saying to my friend, because this is the way you do. You don't pass am. Only show me road. No carry me go. I don't say go take your time. No carry me go. Name my address. Name phone number. I can't run too much. This one they work well. Nigeria they own. Abi Oshodi. Abi Bini. Owo Goja. Or Lokoja. Where you do am, just direct me. Make I go do. As they take collect customer here, the thing they surprise everybody. It is obvious. It's no longer a news.
Titus. I am serving a living God. If you come out in the morning before you open your shop, pray to your God. Now can you go? Leave my shop. Don't allow me to push you out.
Oya, put kind of sense living God with that one.
This way.
You living God. Who do they serve living God? You they serve living God. They serve living God. Do what would they serve here? Na brabo God. Hey, you know bukai. Every day time we don't go. We don't go walk like boy. I go so where ya. I want to start to nef. I will high fed. Who you want to deceive? Who you want to deceive? I don't gas 80 carton. I don't gas 100 carton. I bakocha every 250 something thousand. He need in one from one customer. And and you're telling me you're serving the living God. I'm not going to every money. When I want to walk to Ibrahim born another. When the master can be a nation. Oh, really, she I'm not me and go look for the rapporteur now. Next one get Christ news on here. Give Yanga Rogo. Fair cabin in the hand. Fair size side the car. Get you fair our side. Fair customer be a poor. Customer come and go come out. Maybe a hand from ya poor. You have living God. Okay, show me where make I go grab him.
Go do your own. If you say now juju, go do your own. Now, can you leave my shop?
You must show me where you do your own juju. I'm not gonna come out. Show me where you do your own juju. But maybe go up.
Oh no, gonna let me man you. What kind of bang I'm not?
I think a city of washing that to him. I go pull a lady in the shop. You want to give him more. One month and I give one woman more. Get you become a rich man.
Hey, one way I'm not go.
I am ready to die in your house.
Hey, one way I'm not
kill me. Kill me, go see me today.
See, you won't go to school. Me, I don't dress up finish because I don't want to go to school. I don't get strength. I go just relax for house. JJ, they wait for my bobo.
I need to go to school. I need to see a makeup.
How you take concern me?
You man care.
How you doing?
I'm good, man.
How you doing?
I'm fine.
No shit now. To get something done.
I go wash my clothes.
Go
be now.
All right now.
Enjoy.
Yeah, Paul. I beg you, what's the page of that one? I don't really know if you go.
That one is
Okay, no shaking.
Babe, I don't die. Babe, I don't die.
Jeez. You're not going to school.
Nah, baby, keep down my phone. Is it this guy? I did die for him.
Are you serious?
I swear. I did die for him.
Why you not tell us?
Nah, forget that matter now. You know say this place no be Yankee now. Ah, you know now. This guy makes sense.
Hello.
Hi.
Okay, what happened? What did you do?
Beauty and the Beast.
Jesus Christ. Yay!
Love what they did. Hello.
This game. Hey, Jesus.
You talk?
No.
You talk? I don't talk. Sure you say you won't go school? Yeah, I won't go school.
Hey.
Oh boy.
Is that love for what? Okay.
Ask me. Say they love person, eh? I know say me I short. This one. Now short sexy.
Wait, I don't understand. Because they carry woman come and then make it they run up and down.
Imagine.
Look at this really big.
But there, we don't suffer.
As in yes, you know they eat shit too.
Which one be say we dey eat shit?
You know they eat. You know
What do you be?
They mind now.
No dey talk rubbish o.
Hey.
Zakios oye koko, oye koko koko, origo de los
Hey, good. See, look at my skin. How come they let television inside? Yay! Yay!
Please,
Don't forget this kind of
say I dey like person, no be that guy. Think that one go come. Babe, I dey do for that guy.
Babe, I tell.
Oh my
See, I
God.
tell you, that one will come out. Before you go get down, eh? You go wait for that to December.
They
That
wait.
one,
They
sharp,
wait
sharp, you
now.
don't get down.
You say dey wait now.
She was not in
So, my dear,
as we are saying.
yes,
Yes, it's true.
I like. Well done. Good morning.
Well done. Hold on. Make una hold una greeting. Una, as soon as they see am now, levels don't change.
Levels don't change. You. Every time you perform. You. I'm not Bango. This is for you people. Go on. You're supposed to know now. That's what the way you use take past me. If I catch you, I'll just if I keep you here like this, I will just break you.
Hey,
things don't change. This one do it by heights. So I don't see him now. We could respect on ourselves. We could respect on ourselves. Because if I hear him for this whole step, fire go burn here.
Eh?
We could respect on ourselves. Maybe by size. Maybe by anyhow we want that. Come on, now we can say make a tell mama.
Just wait.
I beg you. Mine looks small, you come. Take. That's Indomie where we sell this yesterday. Ogayo, no vessel. How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah, but you tell the cake in a toilet, you go shit.
I don't come out. Some things wait there for me. It has to be that if you chop, you come out. Chop, come out. Take. Come out. Take. Come out. That's what you mean. How's that there?
Oga Ayo, you know try you. You don't do well at all.
I got time. What did I do now? What did I do now?
How for this compound, where all of us they live in peace, your mama come. You don't tell us say your mama come. Mama is mama of the people. It cannot be your mama alone. People mother go inside and see say na one small fowl.
Wake up, be say compound people there. You don't even tell compound people say your mama come.
We for drink for her head. I'm a program maya.
Yes, it's just the chop alone. They
Chop
do
alone.
like this.
He don't do. He don't do. Is it for this compound? And the one for the last time. We're gonna come out eye for my body. We're gonna come out eye for my body. We're gonna come out eye for my body.
I beg no verse. Come on.
If you're not come out eye for my body, I will burn this house. I swear, I will burn this house.
Can don't be shame.
He said make we come out eye for body.
Come on, eye for body.
Where your body?
Where the body?
Okay, you what? You see him? From
West,
where?
Look up. Not bother your eyes.
Hey, I'm a
Come
mama.
on, eye for your body. You know, see your mouth. Come on, take hand and clean that nonsense mouth so you use talk that rubbish. Make on a come out eye. How would I come out eye from your body? So as big as I am, as big and rich as we are, we go see upstairs, fine houses, beautiful
skyscraper
edifice. Then you. All this beautiful edifices, beautiful. Go put our S because no be one. Hey. We go just come out eye, come from up. We go they look fine house. They praise God for what they did, for what He did. Go carry eye, go and put his eye gota. Give the eye to them and gota.
Shut.
I na chompuro kobo. They look for a lion tragedy.
Not to say. I not alone. The final warning. The one. Okay, rap.
Look at Chris.
Look at him. You don't go toilet now. Gabar or lie air. It is say we not perceive the other.
No, just
yeah, no go. But na dagama kem.
And I teach you. Let's say no brush. Say.
I go brush.
If you say angle of elevation, this thing don't enter my nose direct.
The media, the thank God now you dey close to her. Don't go to. You have to go take medication.
That toilet where you talk, I just remember that day where I won't go toilet. Wait, drop what didn't drop. Hey, drop what didn't drop. There, I poured the first water. Waiting I see.
Before the thing come out.
Well. Every year can dolphin.
The man say he go burn that house. House where another person build. He go come burn and down. He go in the babu kwe. Nonsense.
Keep your face, Joe.
I'm gonna do and come and rub my own now.
You see, all of us are doing that today. People that 1,000 out of the way.
No problem.
No 1,000. Next time, call me rubbish. And you know I have all of this bank account. 1,000 all of you.
You don't get black here.
Stay.
What's in there?
Other titles.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
Activation.
Good morning, man.
We dey prepare for our rag day.
Oh!
When they come out?
No. They go church. They go church.
You show us love now. You show us love now.
Any amount.
Anything. Start from me. Thank me first. Give them money. Show them love.
Hey, there's no cash with me. Economy has not improved. There's no money. Mona check another people. See all of us there.
You know what you go happen?
Yes.
Mona come shop tomorrow. Maybe see us today.
My auntie Pepe.
We go show them love.
No problem. Organizers. Hey, come on, rub me now. Boom.
Come, shey you know that I'm the first person to go there. So I'm thinking I'll collect money from them. Don't go and spoil my show. You keep your eye, I'll take it to the eye.
Come with shop. Come with shop.
Our shop now.
Which kind of shop? We give them a shop, huh?
Yeah, if we say market, we'll give them money.
If you say which market? Na heke invitation, be I'm gonna shop. On na go shop, huh?
They like 400.
But go.
They like
Mind yourself.
They like 400.
I cannot see those students for my shop. I cannot see them for my shop.
How much?
Their shop.
See how what? If you don't reach me, I'm not focusing on sushi.
All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray!